Assalamu alaikum, my dear students. Hello, how are you all? Hope you are doing fine by the grace of Almighty Allah. Welcome to NFS Home School. I am Muhammad Ariful Islam, Assistant Teacher of English, National English Version School, Morning Shift. Today I am going to take an English Literature class for class 3 students. Our today's topic, Unit 9, Make Sentence and True False. So open a book and go to page number 98. Okay, Unit 9, I am not scared anymore. Okay, so let's see our today's class 3, subject English Literature, topic Unit 9, Make Sentence and True False. Term manual, lecture 8, SW will be 7. Teacher Ariful Islam, and this is my mobile number. So let's start the class. So first we will do make sentences. So Unit 9, I am not scared anymore. We will do today first make sentences. You know, you do not need to follow my make sentence blindly. You can have your own make sentences, but it must have meaning and it must have subject verb agreement. You have to maintain subject verb and object. Okay, so let's write scary. We can write, I am writing from the passage. Okay, I am writing the sentences from the passage. In the passage written, the dark forest, the dark forest, F-O-R-E-S-T, the dark forest seemed scary. So I have written, the dark forest seemed scary. You can also write, the man seemed scary. You can also write, Arif sir's face seemed scary. You can write 1,000 of sentences. Okay, reply. So reply. In the passage, it is written, Amit was too shocked, S-H-O-C-K-E-D, shocked, to reply. So in the unit written, Amit was too shocked to reply. You can also write, the teacher asked the questions but she didn't reply. You can also write, she replied the answers very carefully. You can write 1,000 of sentences. Okay, last word is loudly. You can write a lot of sentences. I am writing the boy. You can also write the girl. The boy began to cry loudly. Okay, you can also write, I have written, the boy began to cry loudly. So began is the past form of the verb begin. Okay, begin is the past form of verb began. So you can also write, they were shouting loudly, the boys, the girls were shouting loudly. You can have a lot of sentences. So I am repeating again. Number 1 is scary. The dark forest seemed scary. Reply, Amit was too shocked to reply. It means Amit was so shocked that he could not reply. Loudly, the boy began to cry loudly. Next, come to the true false. Amit was happy to share his tent with Vijay. True or false? Let's go to the unit. Let's come to the unit. We will read today this portion. Amit felt very scared as he saw the tents. He was sharing his tent with Vijay Singh, the toughest boy in his class. And Amit was very happy to have Vijay with him. So Amit was very happy to sharing his tent with Vijay Singh, according to the unit according to the story. So this one is true. Amit was happy to share his tent with Bijoy. This one is true. Next one. Amit was afraid of frightening noises. It is true or false? Let's go to the unit again. So Amit was afraid of the dark, and these things only knew his parents. So Amit was afraid of the dark. Amit was not afraid of the frightening noises. So number 2, Amit was afraid of frightening noises. This is false. This is false because Amit was afraid of the dark. Number 3, Amit forgot about his worries in the bus. True or false? Let's go to the unit again. One day of the trip, father and mother came to see Amit off at school. He forgot all his worries for a while as he got into the bus with his friends. So he forgot about his worries in the bus. According to the unit, according to the story thing, he forgot all his worries for a while as he got into the bus with his friends. So this one is true. Amit forgot about his worries in the bus. This one is true. Okay, let's read again. Number 1, Amit was happy to share his tent with Bijoy. This is true. Number 2, Amit was afraid of frightening noises. This is false because Amit was only afraid of the dark. Number 3, Amit forgot about his worries in the bus. It is true or false? This is true. So I am repeating again, make sentence again for the last time. Number 1, I have written scary. The dark forest seemed scary. You can have your own make sentences, no problem. Maintaining subject verb. Number 2, reply. Amit was too shocked to reply. Number 3, loudly. The boy began to cry loudly. True, false. Number 1, Amit was happy to share his tent with Bijoy. This is true. Number 2, Amit was afraid of frightening noises. This is false because Amit was afraid of the dark. Number 3, Amit forgot about his worries in the bus. This is true. So your SW will be SW7, submit on Sunday. Unit 9, make sentence and true false. Unit 9, make sentence and true false. So my dear students, do your SN SW at home and submit on Sunday within 8 am to 4 pm in the school library. You will also collect those copies on Sunday within 8 am to 4 pm from the school library. You know your SW is very important because we are giving SBA city and diary marks on the basis of the submission of your SW copies, and we are giving 2.5 mark each of your SW. That's all for today. I hope you have understood today's topic. Keep practicing at home. Avoid bad parents. Stay safe, stay well. See you again. Till then, Allah Hafiz. Assalamu alaikum.